Let you see, brother and sister, this amazing island harbor driving. It is really very amazing and beautiful surrounding along with beaches. And whenever you come here, you feel that you just touching the nature beauty. All everything natural, beautiful. So it's harbor area. Everything touches your heart. Really simple life, those who are living here, but especially beautiful for those who just come from outside of this land. Enjoy this natural beauty, this amazing island. See the nature beauty, this agriculture village house, true villages, because there is no mainland facility like it's simply made by the people. I hope that you will enjoy this beautiful surrounding as well as I did. No one has such a beautiful, amazing videos that I am making throughout Canada and USA for the detail, for the not only the mainland Iceland where you need to go only through ferry, through that amazing landscaping. You see this nature beauty, only you will have to spend a lot of money to come here, but I am showing you this amazing landscaping free of cost. This golf course, island. Yes, you see how much long and big from one end to another end. Quite fresh